Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll talk about an issue regarding your iPhone's mail app. So the issue is that some users complain that they are not receiving any mails on their iPhone mail application. Even though they have good network, even though they are logged in properly, still they are having issues in receiving mails on their iPhone's mail application. So in this video, we'll talk about this issue and let's find out the solution for this issue. So let's start the video and work on the solutions. So talking about the first solution, first of all, do one thing, go and check your mail push or a fetch data. For that, do one thing, open a settings application. In that, navigate to mails application or mail option, and in that go to accounts, and in accounts you will get an option called fetch new data, right? So just tap on that, open here. So basically if you see here, there is an option called push. And if you read it here, it will say that new data will be pushed to your phone whenever possible from the server. In simple word, it means that whenever you enable push, so whenever there is a mail sent to you, it will instantly or immediately deliver to your inbox in a mail application. If you disable that, it won't send immediately mails to your inbox. For that, you need to go and refresh the inbox. That time only you will get the mails in your inbox. You can have a look here if by mistakenly push has been disabled on your device, because that might be one of the reasons why mails are not delivered immediately to your inbox in a mail application in your iPhone. Other than that, there is one more option called fetching. So that means whenever there is a push is disabled or some older devices don't have a push option, that time they got an option called fetch, where you can choose a frequency of receiving your mails in your inbox. Okay, that time you can choose manually, automatically, something like that. So here there is an option called fetching, where you can choose, okay, on your own whenever you want to receive your mails in your inbox. So there are options called automatically, manually, hourly, 30 minutes, etc, etc. So if you've chosen like manually, that for receiving mails you need to open a mail application, okay, open the inbox and refresh the inbox. That time only you will receive new mails in your inbox. If you are choosing automatically, then you will receive mails automatically whenever they are sent to you. So if you want to receive mails constantly, immediately, then choose automatically or just enable the push option, right? This might be one of the reasons, okay, why you're not receiving mails on your mail application or a inbox in your mail application. Now let's talk about the second reason or second cause. Talking about second cause, that is mobile data must have been disabled for your mail application on your iPhone. This might not be actual reason or actual cause, but good to check out, right? For that, do one thing, open setting application. In setting application, go to your mobile data and scroll down. And if you check here, there are multiple applications available. And at the side, there is a button, okay, to disable or enable. So in simple words, here you can choose to disable or enable mobile data for your applications on your iPhone. And by mistake, if you disable mobile data for your mail application, which means that there is no network for your mail application, okay, that means you can't receive mails on your iPhone devices unless there is a Wi-Fi network available for you, right? Just check that. If you disable, just enable that, so you can receive mails on your device, okay. That might be a reason, just have a check. And now talking about the next solution, if this issue is not happening with a personal mail ID, and if it is happening with your official or the company's mail ID, then do one thing, contact your admin or a email provider, okay. Just contact them, let them know about the issue and they will solve it for you. This can be a good solution if this issue is happening with your official or a company's mail ID, not a personal account, right? Just try that. And now talking about the last solution or last option you have, that is deleting your mail account and just re-adding it to your iPhone. For that, do one thing, go to your settings, scroll down till mail option or mail application, open that, and here tap on accounts, and here you will find all the accounts added to your mail application or a device. So here just open that mail account or any account you want to delete, just open that and just delete the account. And here you can always come back here and just tap on the add account. So just try removing and adding the email account for which you are facing the issue, and this might fix the issue or solve the error on your device. So these were the three solutions or three options you can try and fix this error on your device. And lastly, I hope it was a helpful video, it helped you, and if yes, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions and iPhone customization. Until then, thank you very much, bye bye, take care.